Hello again, it's Jolene from the Home Stitchery Decor YouTube channel. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you my top 10 places to get these, which are called jelly rolls or fabric strips or roll-ups or roly-polies, whatever you decide to call them. Moda has a trademark, of course, on jelly roll. So I'm going to just spill the tea on where to get these. Okay, so if you're new here, hi, I'm Jolene. I'm from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. I sell modern farmhouse home decor. I sell a lot of rugs. I've made over 1,000 of them, and I've got some of the best videos here on YouTube. Make sure you watch the playlist for how to make a rug, my top 6 tips for the rugs, and then, of course, get in on the fun. And if you're new here, maybe you don't know what kind of fun we have, but the kind of fun I have on my channel, I haven't seen on anybody else's channel. So I really want to start, growing with this. And I've got my spin to win wheel up. So how it works, folks, is first of all, with the disclaimer, YouTube is not affiliated with anything I do. The community guidelines will be linked in the video description and in the first comment, which is always left by me, the first comment. And essentially, they don't police what I do. They don't promote what I do. They're not affiliated with what I do. They don't market what I do. They don't care about what I do. Don't be a Karen, all those kind of fun things. But when today's video reaches 50 comments from users, so from the comment number 2 to the comment number 51, because the first comment is mine, I'm going to spin the spin to win wheel. And it's going to pick a number, and then I count my way back from the first comment left to whatever the comment is that matches up with the number from 1 to 50. And I'll make sure this spin to win wheel here is set up properly. Right now it's going to 100, but we can change it to 1 to 50, and we'll change it here. Okay, now it's up. We'll spin it, and whatever the comment is, for instance, if it landed on 42, or 24, sorry, that would be the comment that would win. So once the comments get to that, that's when we'll do the draw. And I know you're dying to know what I'm giving away this time. And it is the coveted Clover Tube Maker. This thing is a game changer for jelly roll rugs or fabric strip rugs or rag rugs, whichever you choose to call them. This thing is going to help you. It's cut my time to make them probably down to about 1/3 less time. Okay, so you have to be okay with me contacting you, of course. You have to leave a comment, and then I'll contact you, and you have to give me your address. There's no purchase necessary. All the contest rules, etc., will be in the video description. So all you have to do basically is leave a comment and be okay with me contacting you. Okay, so now that that's out of the way, you know that there's going to be some fun. So let's get into where we can buy this jelly roll fabric, which is one of my most asked questions. Where do I get all my fabric? Every time I go to a market, where do you get all this fabulous fabric? Oh my goodness, all the fabric, all the things. So I can show you some of the products that I make here, but basically I get my fabric from everywhere. And yes, I'm very fortunate now. I do have commercial accounts where I can purchase fabric from, but that's not going to help you out unless you are a business. So today I'm going to spill the tea on the top 10 places that you can get your fabric. So the first place I want to talk to you guys about is Connecting Threads. I'm an affiliate for Connecting Threads. I will have my affiliate link in the video description if you want to support the channel and support me doing more fun things like this. Please shop through the affiliate links because I do earn a small commission, and then that helps me make more videos and give away prizes. All right. So Connecting Threads has all kinds of mix and match fabric lines. They typically have fabric lines and then jelly rolls that match them as well. And they often have things on sale. So you'll see 20% off on a few of them here. They've got Moda, Riley, Blake, all kinds of fabulous jelly rolls here, just for an example. And they do have a good shipping policy as well. And I want to cover off some of the shipping for you guys on some of these. So economy shipping in the United States for orders over $75. And if you are in Canada, the order limit is $85 US dollars. You will get free shipping. So if you order over $85, you get free shipping in Canada. Okay, so that's my personal favorite one. I love this place. And like I mentioned, there's an affiliate link for them. Okay, so the next one that I'm going to mention is Fat Quarter Shop. They have a sale on right now. Sewing Notions for a limited time. We're 25% off. And they have pre-cut fabric, of course. They've got jelly roll strips here. And these guys will ship also to, do they have their shipping and delivery policies up here? Okay, US orders $80 and over ship for free. Orders below $80 ship for $4.95. And international charges, if you're in Canada and you order over $200, I believe that would be US, your shipping will be free. So just go on and look and find some jelly rolls that you like from them. The next place, of course, I'm sure you've all heard of them. They're famous for their daily deals, and that is Missouri Star. They have an insane amount of product. And if you sign up for their daily emails, you can get in on their, well, they call it the daily deal. So they have a huge selection of jelly roll strips, and some of them are even on sale right now. They've got batiks on sale for $34.50. These guys, I order from them all the time. In fact, this one I just showed you, I ordered, I believe, 15 of these at Christmas time. And in another video of mine, there is a giveaway going on for these ones right now. So go find that video and maybe you could win one of these. And they have super fast shipping. I've never, ever, ever had a problem with them. They've got quilting cash too that they have. And I'm not sure what their shipping is, but go ahead and have a look. Okay, the next place I'm going to tell you guys about is good old Amazon. We love to hate them, but they have everything. So I'll put a link in the video description if you want to have something purchased from Amazon for jelly rolls. I did purchase a brand from here, Tiny Spool. I haven't made it yet, but when I do, I will make a video and put it up. That's kind of on my to-do list here, is to show you guys a rug made with fabric from Amazon. Oh, and here, we've got the Clover Fabric Tube Maker that I'm actually doing in the giveaway. Is $23.08 Canadian on sale on Amazon right now. But if you leave a comment, you could win that. All right, so the next place we're going to check out is Shabby Fabrics. You may know them. They have a pretty good YouTube channel as well. But they do also have fabulous fabrics. Like, it's absolutely insane. I couldn't believe how much was on here. Gosh, when was I on here? Like a year ago that I bought something off of here. But they do have amazing fabric. So where could we get here? Of course, it doesn't want to come up right now. Fabric, pre-cuts, and jelly roll fabric. Here we go. This will come up now. All right. They also have this great thing that you can do on Shabby Fabrics and reserve the item. So once it comes in, they're going to ship it to you. But this kind of gives them, I think, a general idea of how much to order so that they're not sitting on a bunch of stock and then you get your fabric that much quicker. This one I really like, this Renee Naniman for Andover Fabrics. Look at this. Oh, that's totally up my alley. I may have to order that one. And then if you keep scrolling down, it's not always like you have to reserve it. They do have things available as well. So check out this Americana Roly-Poly by Lori Holt. And so that might actually be 24 strips. You'd have to check. Make sure you check before you order. And they just have so many. Oh, here's another one. Now I'm just shopping for myself. Okay, on with the video. All right, the next place I'm going to tell you about is Marshall's Dry Goods. Now, if you're in an area where you have a store close to you, of course, you can always just pop into the store. But sometimes that's not always possible. And then you can come on and see what they've got for fabric at their actual store. You can also shop wholesale and bulk from Marshall's Dry Goods. I'm not sure if they ship to Canada. We'll have to check that out. But there is, Marshall's is growing in Canada. I know on April 4th, I believe, there's actually a Marshall store opening up in Calgary, Alberta. So if you're on my YouTube channel because you're from Calgary area, it's going to be, I believe, around Center Street. So McLeod and Glenmore is where it's going to be. And they do have a Facebook page open for that, so go ahead and follow along. But Marshall's Dry Goods, I've heard good things about their fabric. I'm going to have to go check it out when they open up. All right, the next place I'm going to tell you about is Jordan Fabrics. These are hand cut in the USA. They've got a $7.31 flat rate shipping in the USA. They've got YouTube tutorials, which is fantastic. And we can check out to see what kind of pre-cuts that they have here and see if it's something that you're interested in. They've got batiks. Now, I know some people are really into batiks. They're going to love this place to shop from. Oh, and this is coffee. This is fantastic. Bit pricey, $88.51. But hey, if that's in your budget, go ahead and purchase that. And this one, Wilmington prints. This might be the Canadian side too. Am I in the Canadian? Yeah, I'm on the Canadian side. If you switch this to the United States, the prices are going to go down significantly. So that doesn't help Canadian shoppers out, I know, because we still have to pay the conversion. But now you'll see that this is a much more reasonable price, $71 for this one here. All right, the next one I'm going to tell you about is, I want to say this right, Hancock's of Paducah. I hope I said that right. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. But they have some fabulous fabric here as well. They've got free shipping on fabric over $100. If you're from Canada, of course, check it out. Make sure that you've got the right currency set up, and you can check out their pricing here as well. So they've got some batiks here as well, and they're on sale right now for $29.99. So this might be a good time to purchase some. And if you scroll down, they've got coffee as well. And here's, if you like coffee, this is the place to buy it right now. $57.99 at Hancock's. All right, the next place I'm going to tell you about is actually Etsy. There are a lot of jelly rolls on Etsy. They ship from all over the world, and you are supporting often small quilt shops, which is very helpful. All right, now the next place I'm going to tell you about is jellyrollfabric.net, and they've got a pretty fantastic website up here. They've got all their sales are always listed, I believe, at the top of their website as far as I could tell, and they've got collections of fabrics and very good pricing on these right now. I'm not sure, I've never used, for instance, June Doe fabric collections. I'd have to check that out. These are some pretty fun colors. And of course, I'm home stitchery decor, which has kind of got a little farmhouse flair to it, but I also make things for people, not just myself. So I have to buy different brands and different colors of fabric all the time for my huge Christmas sales. Now, the last place I want to tell you guys about, and it's probably the most important place at all, is please support a local quilt shop at least once a year. It could make all the difference in your local community, and we need businesses that support our communities, and it's always the place that people go when they need donations. They come to small business. They need, promotional products to put in a raffle. They always go to the small businesses. So please make sure that you are supporting your local small businesses as you go along. Now, as mentioned, please leave a comment in the video to be entered for the tube maker, and be sure to watch some of my upcoming content and my jelly roll rug tutorial on the channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.